In a run-up to Lok Sabha elections, talks to form the third front are gaining momentum. Samajwadi Party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav on Monday hoped that a third front government will be formed after 2014 elections. Mulayam, however, clarified that any activity related to the formation will only take place after elections. He added that the prime ministerial candidate will be announced only then.
अभी मोर्चा कभी नहीं बनेगा चुनाव का, क्यों टिकटों को लेकर मतभेद हो जाता है। जब जीत के आएंगे अभी अपनी भी टिकट बांटेंगे तो मतभेद नहीं होगा और उसके बाद तीसरा मोर्चा बनेगा।
According to Mulayam, he is in consultation with left parties. Meanwhile, the left indicated that discussions are being held to form an alternate front against communal forces.
I don't know what Mr. Yadav is suggesting or what he said. What we are right now we are doing is actually working for the success of such a convention for safeguarding and strengthening India's secular democratic foundations.
Mulayam's viewpoint was supported by the JDU as well.
हमारी सबकी आपस में बातचीत चल रही है और हमारी कोशिश है कि चुनाव के पहले या बाद में, लेकिन व्यावहारिक बात है कि चुनाव के बाद ये बनेगा.
The Congress and BJP, however, refuted such claims as baseless.
It is too early to say on this kind of statements.
जब चुनाव आएगा तो थर्ड फ्रंट फोर्थ फ्रंट की बिसात बिछेगी और चुनाव खत्म होते होते वो बिसात अपने चुनाव खत्म होते या चुनाव शुरू होते ही वो बिसात बिखर जाती है. इसीलिए मैंने कहा ये चुनावी एक्सपायर चॉकलेट है.
NCP also questioned credibility of the third front, saying no front is possible without BJP or Congress.
तीसरे मोर्चे का जो अनुभव है वो कोई बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. सरकार जो भी बनेगी उसमें जो दो मुख्य पार्टियां हैं कांग्रेस और बीजेपी, उन दोनों में से एक को उसमें शामिल होना पड़ेगा.
Speculations on formation of a third front are not new. Questions have time and again been raised over the future of the third front following the failed experiments by the Deve Gowda and Gujral government. But recently the issue gained momentum after West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee raised the issue of Federal Front. The fate of any such front seems uncertain considering bitter relations between Mamata and the left. Now all eyes are set on the National Convention in Defence of Secularism on October 30th, where non-BJP and non-Congress parties are invited. With inputs from Kumar Alok, Bureau Report, DD News.